You can access and manage a wide range of information about your Cayenne SE Hybrid using the e-mobility services via your smartphone. The battery charge status, for example, allows you to monitor the level of battery charge on your Cayenne SE Hybrid. Thanks to the electric range management, you always have an overview of the remaining range under electric power alone, based on the last driving or route profile and the expected energy required for climate control. The charging timer allows you to enter a desired departure time. The charging process is then automatically controlled to ensure that the battery is fully charged by the planned time of departure. And using the parking pre-climatization remote control, you can electrically heat or cool the interior of your vehicle to a temperature that feels comfortable, either straight away or by the desired departure time. You can charge your Cayenne SE Hybrid simply and conveniently using the Porsche Universal Charger, AC. Connect it to your car. The charger is then automatically locked, even if you don't lock your car. Manual charging starts. Using a conventional socket, an empty battery will take around 4 hours to charge. A timer in the multifunction display shows you the charging time remaining. An LED in the vehicle charge port informs you of the progress of the charging process. The length of time for which the LED lights up indicates the battery charge status. The longer the LED lights up for, the fuller the battery is charged. When the LED is permanently lit, this means that the battery is fully charged. Timed charging is programmed via the multifunction display or your smartphone. Start the process by pressing the button in the vehicle charge port. Your Cayenne SE Hybrid will then be fully charged by the desired departure time. You can also coordinate the interior climate control with the timer. An LED on the button shows when timed charging has been activated. If the LED on the button flashes, the desired departure time still has to be programmed. The charging process automatically stops once the battery is fully charged. To release and remove the charging cable, the vehicle has to be unlocked using the open button on the vehicle key, even if the vehicle is not locked. If the vehicle is locked with Porsche Entry and Drive, the cable can also be unlocked simply by taking hold of the door handle. When unlocked, the plug status changes from green to yellow. You can then remove the charging cable, replace the lid, and close the charging port flap. You can stow the Porsche Universal Charger, AC, in the pouch provided in the luggage compartment. When you are out and about, you can fill up your Cayenne SE Hybrid as usual at a service station, with fuel for the combustion engine and with electricity for the electric drive. The port for the charging cable is located on the left-hand side of the vehicle. A symbol in the battery display in the instrument panel shows the location. Once your Cayenne SE Hybrid is fully charged, open the locked vehicle using your vehicle key. On vehicles with Porsche Entry and Drive, simply take hold of the door handle. You can now remove the charging cable, replace the lid, and close the charge port flap. To fill up your Cayenne SE Hybrid with fuel, press the button in the door trim panel. In the multifunction display, you will see a message about the pressure reduction, saying refueling readiness in process. Once the pressure has been reduced, the ready for refueling message appears in the multifunction display. The fuel filler flap is automatically unlocked. Depending on the circumstances, it takes up to 150 seconds for the pressure to be reduced. To start your Cayenne SE Hybrid, turn your vehicle key in the ignition. Once all systems are ready, the Ready message appears in the power meter on the Cayenne SE Hybrid, and an acoustic signal sounds to indicate that the vehicle is ready to drive. The energy flow display and the multifunction display in the instrument panel and in Porsche Communication Management (PCM) shows the flow of energy between the combustion engine, battery, hybrid module, and wheels. The zero emission display in the PCM provides statistical information about the driving time with the combustion engine switched off. The power meter informs you about the recuperation and power output being generated by the electric motor, as well as the drive power from the combustion engine. E-Power mode is activated as standard. Every journey therefore starts with electricity alone. Depending on the battery charge status, you can drive for up to 36 kilometers, 22 miles under electric power alone and with virtually no noise, at speeds of up to 125 kilometers per hour or 77 miles per hour. If desired, you can deactivate E-Power mode and also reactivate it again manually. Simply press the E-Power button. The energy flow display in the multifunction display shows E-Power. You can drive in all-electric mode within the efficiency range. A pressure point on the accelerator pedal signals the switch between all-electric mode and driving powered by the combustion engine. The combustion engine is fired up when necessary or when the accelerator is depressed beyond the pressure point. The kickdown function enables the maximum power output available from both units to be purposefully exploited at any time. E-Boost. The electric motor provides an additional boost for overtaking maneuvers, for instance. In hybrid mode, the combustion engine and electric motor work in tandem to achieve maximum fuel economy on your Cayenne SE Hybrid. Press the E-Charge button in the center console to activate E-Charge mode. In E-Charge mode, part of the engine power is used to charge the battery while on the move, if you're going to be driving in the city next, for example. By driving at optimum engine load, you can efficiently generate energy for charging the battery in the relevant driving scenarios. E-Charge is shown in the energy flow display. In all driving modes, the electric motor harnesses braking energy in generator mode and uses it to charge the battery. While on overrun, the combustion engine is automatically decoupled from the drivetrain and switched off, allowing the Cayenne SE Hybrid to glide along in coasting mode. This mode reduces the engine drag to achieve maximum efficiency. Sport mode exploits the full performance potential of the electric motor and combustion engine. The boost is already activated when the accelerator pedal is depressed by 80% for dynamic driving with maximum power and torque levels.